What is length x? Hence, find angle alpha. From triangle ABD. Line BD divided by line B, A equals to tan alpha. It means that line B, A equals line B, D divided by tan alpha, which equals to 3 divided by tan alpha. We call this equation 1. From triangle ABE. Line B, E divided by line B, A equals tan 2 times alpha. Thus, line B, A equals to line B, E divided by tan 2 times alpha, which equals to 7 divided by tan 2 times alpha. We call it equation 2. From triangle ABC. BC divided by B, A equals tan 3 times alpha. It implies that length B, A equals length B, C divided by tan 3 times alpha, which equals the sum of x and 7 all divided by tan 3 times alpha. We call it equation 3. By trigonometric identity. Tan 2 times alpha equals the product 2 times tan alpha all divided by 1 minus tan square alpha. Equate equation 1 and equation 2 as shown on the screen. Thus, 3 divided by tan alpha equals 7 divided by tan 2 times alpha, which equals 7 divided by the product of 2 tan alpha and 1 minus tan square alpha. Simplify. 3 divided by tan alpha equals the product of 7 and 1 minus tan square alpha all divided by the product of 2 and tan alpha. Cross multiply and we obtained equation shown on the screen. It implies that the product of 6 and tan alpha equals the product of 7, tan alpha and 1 minus tan square alpha. Divide the equation by 7 tan alpha and we have that (6 divided by 7 equals to 1 minus tan square alpha. It implies that tan square alpha equals 1 divided by 7. Find the square root of the equation, and we have that tan alpha equals 1 divided by the square root of 7. Substitute in equation 1. Line B, A equals the product of 3 and 1 divided by the square root of 7, which equals to the product of 3 and the square root of 7 in units. By trigonometric identity, the equation for tan 3 times alpha is shown on the screen. Substitute value of tan alpha we obtained earlier and simplify it. It implies that tan 3 times alpha equals to 5 divided by square root of 7. After simplification, it signifies that tan 3 times alpha equals 5 divided by the square root of 7. Thus, substitute the values of length B, A and tan 3 times alpha into equation 3. It means that the product of 3 and the square root of 7 equals the sum of x and 7 all divided by 5 divided by the square root of 7. Cross multiply and we obtained equation in x as shown on the screen. Thus, solve for x. It implies that 15 equals the sum of x and 7. It implies that x equals 15 minus 7 equals 8 units. Therefore, the required value of x equals 8 units. For question 2, we obtain that tan alpha equals 1 divided by the square root of 7. Take the sine inverse of the equation. This implies that alpha equals the tan inverse of 1 divided by the square root of 7, which equals 20.7 degrees to 1 decimal place, is the required value of angle alpha.